So welcome back, guys. My name still remain Adesonya Isaac, which you can call me Ade Isaac. So in the last part, I talked about what is Facebook advert, why you need Facebook ad, and I told you that it's for growth, to get more likes, and for more recommendation, if you can remember very well. And the old way of you marketing on Facebook, and the new way, right, which is the new way and the advanced way that I'm teaching you right away, and how to open your Facebook ad account. So I think by now you should have gained a lot of value. You should have know how to open your Facebook ad account, where to go, and the exact thing to do. So please make sure you go back and watch the video anytime you want to put it to start, so you will not make any single mistake. Now I said that I'll be teaching you about warming up your ad account, how to understand your audience, which is audience research, and also how to run your advert effectively. So first of all, warming up your ad account. So once you first have your ad account like this, right, you need to wait for at least 6 to 8 hours, and for max, like if you can wait for 24 hours, fine, so as Facebook will not think that you want to promote any suspicious activity on their platform. Do you understand? So they won't block your account. So we need to be very, very careful when doing things like that on Facebook, right? So first of all, understanding your audience. Sorry, I've talked about warming up your ad account. So that's the first. Why second is understanding your audience, which is known as audience research. Now we have 3 types of audience. Please take your biro and write this out, so that you will understand how to segment your audience. Now we have 3 types of audience. Number 1, we have cold audience, we have warm audience, and we have hot audience. Now I will explain this very well, so you have a clear and better understanding about this. Again, cold audience, warm audience, and hot audience. Now cold audience are the kind of audience that they don't really know you, or they don't even know you at all. Do you understand? Or they don't have interest in your product. While warm audience are those that they have interest in your product, and they don't really have interest. That means they have interest, but they don't have the money to buy. While hot audience are audiences that they have bought your product before, they have known you, and they trust you, and they have money to buy your products at that very point of time. So they are hot, they will quickly rush anything you are selling. Do you understand the logic? So now you need to understand this so as to get your audience segment. Now, how can you transfer cold audience to hot audience? First of all, you need to give out value, like how I'm doing to you. You know, I don't know you before. I contacted you on WhatsApp, and right now you have known me and you can trust me, right? So first of all, give out a value. It could be PDF, right? It could be anything. Just give it out. Let them know you as a person of value. 1, 2, warm audience. Try to tell them to do some things within some particular rate of time. Just that, and make sure that thing work for them. Once it work for them, they are already a warm audience. They already know you and they trust you. Hot audience, now take them to hot audience base. You cannot tell them to buy anything you are selling, and with happiness they will buy, because they trust you and they know that what you are giving them can never be bad. Do you understand? Not like scammers that just go buy this now, buy this now. No, don't go for buy this now. Do things the normal way in which it works. So now I'll be teaching you audience research. I've talked about the segment of audience, right? So this is audience research. Now for you to now research your audiences on Facebook, you need to do some little things. Now first of all, come to this menu here, tap on it, then scroll down. So you see audience. Yes, I think this is it. Sorry, audience insight. Right, click on audience insight, and it will take you to where you can get audience that are interested in what you are doing. So this is audience insight. As you can see, 27,600,000 people to 32,400,000 people uses Facebook in Nigeria. Do you understand? This is just Nigeria. We have about 2 billion active users of Facebook all around the world, but this estimation is just for Nigeria alone, that we have 27 million people and over 30 million people using Facebook in Nigeria. So that means that you can segment your audiences and narrow your audience and make sales get likes and make more recommendation, build your audience online and take your business online as well to a lot and a lot of people, right? So now first of all, we need to first filter. We can't just target everybody here, right? It's not possible. We need to first filter this audience. So as we are filtering it, it will be going down, it will be going down, it will be going down. Now how did Facebook get this data? You might want to ask, how did Facebook know that this person is interested in this thing, this one is also interested in this thing, right? The fact is that some groups that you join, you might join some groups like hair making, bag, all those kind of group. Facebook bring your data together and form a particular audience for it. Are you getting my point? And also sometimes you go to Google how to do something, Facebook also track this. There's what called cookie from different websites, so they also track cookies, and Facebook also use that data to segment you as well. Are you getting my point? Please try to write this down so you can go through it later. Now come here to filter, and you can add your location and Nigeria. Sorry. So Nigeria as a country, right? And your age. As for me, I'd like to go for 25 years old people to 50 or 55. Yeah. So you can see that it's dropping down. Gender, all, and come down to interest here. Let's choose probably we have a shoe, want to sell shoe and bags, shoe. So these are those interested in shoe. As you can see, that's gone down to 4.3 million people that are interested in shoes, right? Let us choose bags as well. So bags, can you see bags? We have bags and shoe as well. Bags and shoe. Those that are into fashion as well, fashion accessories, right? So we can target a lot of people to get more audience. And there's something I would like you to know again. Now this won't just give you the kind of audience you need, right? It will also tell you that okay, this is where your audience live. Can you see we have 31% people living in Lagos, Nigeria. We have 9% of people living in Abuja, 5% of people living in Port Harcourt, 4% of people living in Ibadan, and like that, right? So the top one that we choose is Nigeria. Now the pages that each of them like, do you understand? These are pages that they like. That does not really mean that you should target that page as well. If not, you might get it wrong. Are you getting me? Now this is a company which is known as Jumia, and Jumia is a kind of platform that we know that we go and buy in things. Do you understand? I'm sure you'll have seen Jumia advert as well. Now this is very, very super easy. They have given us that okay, once we choose this Jumia, they will take our product or service to those interested in Jumia. So if you are selling bags, shoe, mention it, then you will get Jumia client as well. Are you getting my point? Yeah, that is the sweet spot. Then we copy this Jumia. You can also type them, copy this Jumia and come down to filter and type it at your interest. Then you can see Jumia Egypt, Jumia online shopping. This is that Jumia online shopping. Then choose that, as you can see. So with this we can now target those under this kind of aspect. Now what you need to do is to save the audience, right? Save the audience, then create audience, then you can give it a name. Let me say shoes and bag and bags, right? Then you click on save audience. Then automatically the audience will save. Then once we are on our ad account, we can now target them. Are you getting my point? So that is how to do audience segment and audience research. So I've talked about the cold audience, the warm audience, and also the hot audience, right? And I'm going to tell you how to create an audience. So don't just go to Facebook and start targeting people at random. You might just waste your money, right? So that is that for now. Then the next thing we are going to now is how to run our advert on Facebook. So once you are here, you click on this menu here. It's going to show us all tools, and you go to Ads Manager. So it will take you back to that place, so our ad account. But as for me, let me just click this backspace here so it can take me back. So now we are back. Then click on this menu. So I have to run up that account, then go to Ads Manager, right? Ads Manager. So now, before you run your advert on Facebook, don't just go and start say you want to run adverts for sales and the likes and everything. First of all, you need to warm up your ad account within 24 hours, right? And also run an advert for Facebook likes. Please run an advert for Facebook likes. You can run with 500 naira or 1,000 naira, so it can boost your ad account to some audience and also first grow your page. So now, as you can see, it's telling me that I should go to it's saying that I should confirm my account overview so that I can publish my first advert. Now don't forget that I haven't confirmed a page for this ad account. The reason is that I have a first ad account and I'm not ready to create any other page to convert to confirm what I'm ready. And the reason for this ad account is just for tutorial purpose only, so you can know how to do it. I don't want to jump steps. Right now, I'll be going back to my old ad account, right? So I'll teach how things. So because of it, I can't run an advert like this. It won't work. Do you understand? So I need to show you everything. But now that you have know how to make up your ad account, so I'll just start from where I stopped, from another ad account, right? So I just need to go to this place and come to this ad account. You can see one ad account, one Facebook page. This is just one ad account and no Facebook page. So ad account. So as you can see, this is the second ad account I told you I have. First of all, we need to understand the objectives of Facebook adverts. You understand? So what are the objectives of Facebook adverts? First of all, you click on create, then it will load them. You can see create new campaign or use existing campaign. That's because of I've advert on this account before, so say that account is existing campaign. But if it's on your own, it won't bring out this at all. Do you understand? Now it's time to choose a campaign objective. So what are campaign objectives? Campaign objectives are the kind of objectives you want for your product or brand. Now we have 3 types of objectives, and other than we have sub objectives. Now the first category is awareness. What is awareness? Awareness means that you want people to know you more, right? So under awareness, you can make it that people should know your brand and reach. Now how is this possible? Look at Coca-Cola. You know them till tomorrow because they have a better brand awareness, because people are recollecting their product day by day. Look at MTN. You can easily draw the logo of MTN or picture it from your brain, and look at Etisalat, Glow and Airtel. You can easily picture their logo right from your brain even now because you see them every day. Now this is what Facebook also will help to do. They will help to take your brand to some people every day, and keep on seeing. Now when they keep on seeing it, they will know you and they can purchase from you. Now that's for brand awareness. Why reach is that you want to reach a lot of people. 100,000 people, 200,000 is depending on your budget, right? So you want to reach a lot of people. That is what reach is for. Now number 2, consideration. It means that you want people to consider you or product or anything. People just consider you, right? Just for consideration, you understand? Now under consideration we have traffic. What is traffic? Traffic means that you want to tell people to go to a particular website and either read out an article, like a page, or just do something, or probably you have a product you want to sell, or they should buy, or they should contact your WhatsApp. Now with traffic you need a website, or probably if you have your WhatsApp link you can just add it to that. Then for me, I do use a free website which you can see this here. You can see this is my portfolio. I just created this portfolio for just advert purposes, right? As you can see, these are customer feedbacks and the likes. Then you can contact me to create something like this for you. It is you don't need to buy any domain or hosting. It is free forever, right? But you can contact me to build something like this for you, just like a portfolio. If you're a graphics designer or you have anything to sell, probably you have a product. You understand? That is for traffic. Now engagement means that you have a particular post on your Facebook page that you want people to engage with, be it comment, likes, share. Do you understand? So that is for engagement. Now app installs. App installs means that you want people to download your application from Play Store or Apple Store. Is that clear? Video views. Now you want people to view your videos. Now sorry, with this traffic you can also drive people to watch your video on YouTube, right? But this video views is more better you uploading a video on Facebook and running adverts for it, then you go for video views. Now lead generation is a kind of where you get lead. What is lead? You tell these people to sign up. Do you understand? Are you sending message to them probably every day or every week? Like email marketing. This kind of platform you can have where you can tell people to sign up, drop their emails, and you can also keep on triggering emails to them forever, right, until they subscribe from you. That's subscription. I know you might have heard about generation before, so that's what lead generation is. You tell people to sign up for a particular ebook or particular PDF and the likes. Now messages like if you want to get people to message you on WhatsApp or Messenger, that is just that. Now conversion. Under conversion, first of all, conversion for conversion that you want to track the activities that goes on your website, right? I don't think we have a website now. I don't think we really need conversions. So on that website you can go for conversion. But if you don't have a website, I'm sorry, conversion is not for you, right? So once you become a website and you integrate it with your Facebook ad account, then you can use conversion. Now with conversion, you can track your activities on your website. People that come inside, people that go outside, people that clicks, people that purchases and the likes. That is for these conversions. Now catalog sales is mean that you can, if you have looked at Jumia advert before, you see that some of Jumia, Konga and the likes, you see that some of them, and they put price tags on it. That was called catalog sales. And stored traffic means that you want to store some kind of audiences on your website so you can target them later on. Am I clear? Now first of all, you can go for awareness or traffic, right? But it is more better first promoting your brand than running traffic. Is that clear? Now as for me, I will go for traffic, and after that you click on continue. Then you click on continue, right? So if we choose our objective, which is traffic, then we click on continue, then automatically Facebook will bring out some kind of thing like something like this for us, right? Then we cannot continue. Now first of all, you need to change the campaign name. Probably let's say you want to, whenever you are in e-commerce, right, you can just choose bag sales. Then under category, leave this place alone. Now buying type auction means like pay per click, right? Our campaign objective is traffic. Let's leave that alone. Then you come here and click next. So that is ad campaign. We have created an ad campaign. Now we need to create an ad set, right? Under ad campaign we can have various ad sets, right? So now click on ad set. Now say new traffic ad set. Now we can change the name to what is the name, right? I don't okay, bag sales, bag sales ad set, right? So now you say that choose where you want to drive traffic. That means where are we taking people to? Is it a website, app, messenger, WhatsApp? It is a website. So you can get something like this. You can contact me, so you can send people to here. Then you put in your WhatsApp number. You can see something like this. Contact me. Then I link in my WhatsApp number here. If you click it now, it will tell you to, can you see, redirecting to this number. Then you can see that is that for that. And scroll down, then your budget and schedule. Now you can choose daily budget or lifetime budget. what's daily budget? Daily budget means that they will be deducting your money every day. So you can tell them, okay, you want to run adverts for 500 naira every day. They will tell you the kind of amount they tell the result you see, and every day they will be removing your money either from your bank or from your balance. So I've taught you how to fund your ad account. So make sure you fund it, and before you run any adverts, please fund it. And this is lifetime budget. It starts with, I think, 20,000 naira. That is, it can last for forever, depending on the kind of money you put. But it is mostly 1 month. You understand? It's mostly 1 month, but daily budget is the best. Then as for me, you can go for 3,800 naira. Sorry, 3,000 naira. That is if you're with, or you can go for as low as 500 naira, right? So if you go for 500 naira, then it will tell us the kind of amount of honest we receive. But normally, please, you can try 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, so as to get effective results. Is that clear? Now start date. This is 8/12/2021. This is in the night. They just you don't need to touch this, right? But I'll change this back to 3,000 naira. So you can see now, had it been on the other ad account, I'll just come to use saved audience. I've saved audience on this before, right? Lyric video, when I will promote it. Now you once you click on save audience, you'll have seen the audience. They just click on enter, right? Once you click on enter, you don't need anything again. Just scroll down and click next, right? And some other things that I will show you. Just wait. But now I have to what set the audience again. Now it's telling us what is by location, Nigeria, age. Don't forget it was 25 to 55, right? Then we choose 25 to 55. Right, so we scroll down, then you can see all gender. Now detailed targeting, you need to edit it to now the bags, shoe, and everything we choose. The bags, can you see? Still the same thing. Shoes, and I'm sure you know what to choose here, right? So let's just go for Jumia. You can see Jumia online shopping. Then you see that the audience is also the same thing here. Please check this place. It is, can you see, 5.5 million to 6.5 million people, right? And now this estimated daily result means that it will take our island to 6,000 to 19,000 people every day, right? And we are going to have over 200 clicks. Is that clear? Over 200 clicks. Then if you have 200 clicks, imagine you selling a product of, let's just say 1,000 naira, and having more than 200 clicks, having almost 100 sales every day with just 3,000 naira every day. Man, calculate, do the mathematics yourself. So that is the usefulness of Facebook advert. Is that clear? See, this thing I'm giving to you, if you want to learn it, other people will teach you nothing less than 5,000 and above. I'm serious. So don't just joke with this value. Please make sure you test things out and make sure it works for you, right? So you can now save your audience here, but I'm not saving anything. This is just a tutorial only, and make sure you come to manual. Don't go to automatic placement. Because Facebook will just eat your money. They will eat it rush, but come down to manual placement and choose only Facebook feed. Can you see? Remove Instagram. I don't send it to Instagram. Remove Messenger. I also teach you Instagram marketing. This way we are going to choose Instagram, but not now. That will be in the next video. And choose audience network. Sorry, remove audience network. Sorry, I mean it remain only on Facebook. Now scroll down again. That is not all. Can you see? It should be on only Facebook news feed, right? Then you move Facebook marketplace, remove Facebook. You can leave it on Facebook video feeds. I think that's the convert now, but this place, remove it away. Remove it from group feeds, then leave only these two alone. But for me, I don't really do, I do mostly news feed only, and that is all. So I think, and can you see, you can leave that Facebook you can leave that Facebook stories, but just as for me, I'll move it. Just choose one that works best for you. Your product might be different, your own kind of service might be different, so just know what to convert and go for it. So remove it everywhere. Remove it on Instagram, just remove it, and in article as well, remove. Then you scroll down, can you see? So it remain only on Facebook newsfeed only, that only. Then you scroll down, and you type next, right? So it is loading. Congratulations, we have been able to create our ad set. Now this is you can see, verify your changes, enter phone number field, or you understand, we will correct these details. As you can see, we are done with the ad campaign, we are done with the ad set, and also this is the ad name and the ad stuff like that. So now you just click on change the name to bags and shoe, right? Okay, bag sales ad. Then you can choose the Facebook name you are using. You can say this is gospel model. You can just click on it and you can choose any other pages that you have here, right? So you scroll down, then set up ad. This is where we have not set up our ad. That's why we are having this verified in this error. But when we set up our ad now, you see everything. Now you can create an ad or use an existing post from your page, right? I don't know about this. So this use creative mock-up, like they will help to generate pictures for you. That's for free. That is, I think, the Canva with I think they partner with Canva, even about Canva. So that is that. Then you scroll down. After you have choose on that, then select single image or video, right? That is if you want to put an image or a video, like carousel, 2 or more scrollable image or videos, like those images that you see that you can scroll. That's what we call carousel. And collection, that is a group of items that opens into full screen mobile experience. That is another kind of advert format, right? So scroll down. After choosing single or image, then you come to add media. Then you can add an image. Let me just check if I have an image. I think I have some image here before. Okay. As you can see, I have an image here before. Let me just go for this. I think this is a video, right? I don't want to go for video. Just let me go for this. Then you click next. So click done. Then you scroll down. You put in your text that you want people to see, right? 50% discount, right? 50% discount on your first purchase, right? So just add things like that, and guys, that means this, just add like that, just add things like that, so people will like react and communicate with you. Just write some primary text that you know that it will be very good to the audience eyes. And the headline, this is what we call headline here. Let me show you. I'm sorry, but there's something here that's usually show. It's all called headline. You can add headline. Get now. right? Then that is all for that. Then scroll down, then come to this place, you click on website, not phone call, website. Then let me use this link as an example. I copy that link and I paste it here. So as you can see, that error is gone. So we are done with setting up our advert. That is how simple it is to set up an advert. We are done with setting up an advert. Then you click on publish. Once you click on publish, automatically your advert is out and live. Congratulations, you have been able to create your advert on Facebook. So seriously, I'm happy for you because you have gained a lot, This is exactly how some experts run adverts, right? So there are still advanced ways, which I'll be talking later in my conclusion video. So you need to watch that conclusion video, which I talks about some things, right? Some things to be done. So now go back to the PDF format. So the PDF file I sent to you, go to the Instagram section, and I'll see you in the next video, and God bless you.